let me show you how to find photos in Messages. You can also download all of them to your phone's gallery. I'll show you how. Now open up the Messages app on your iPhone and you can see I sent this photo just to myself to my other account. You can either find photos by swiping through, or if you have a lot of messages, you can always go to the top here and you should be able to see photos. It used to be at the very bottom, but now it's right next to info at the top. I can swipe through all of those photos at the very top here. However, keep in mind, if these don't show up for you, there are a couple different things you need to do to get that fixed. And those are in your settings, specifically related to your iCloud, because your iCloud might not have set everything up and synced everything. So we need to first go into your iCloud photos and make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on. So if that is turned off, all you need to do is toggle it back on. After we've done that, we also need to make sure Messages in your iCloud is turned on. Of course, if that's off, just turn it on and tap on the Sync Now here. After it goes through the process of syncing, you might also want to go all the way back out here. Go to your option to update your software. So get iOS 26.1. After you've done all of those, close out of that Messages app. And we'll just open it back up again and you should be able to see all of those photos now loading. You can tap on any of them to save them, or you can just tap at the very top under info and download the 2 attachments or however many attachments for photos and videos.